like them. It sucks me out to think like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. Welcome, glad to have you. And today I have the new Trendmood. Now this is not a subscription box. This is one of those boxes they make. Sometimes they make them every month. Sometimes they make them seasonal. They just make them at different times. Okay, and they're different prices every time. And they're different every time. And I just got a message come in, totally distracted me. It's all right. And this time it was $42 with a total value of, I believe it was $189. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And, oops, the sticker's not stuck, but this is what it looks like. And you open it up like this, and it has bubble wrap. And there is your products. Okay, so let's get down to the bottom and see what. Now it does tell you on their site before you purchase what you're purchasing, so it's not a mystery box either, so just be aware of that. They do tell you, and if you choose to skip one, you just skip it and go to the next one. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is Cheeky Rose, and it is by Winky Lux. I knew that. When I looked at it, I was like, what the heck? It's a beautiful bottle. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Of course, there's a lot of empty space there. But, you know, that's the way it goes in our world today. Ooh, that's totally different than what I expected when I pulled it out of there. Let's see, there's a lid. Let's see if I can open it. And that's totally different than I expected too. And I will leave, you know, links and everything in the description, the prices, and link to where you want to find it. See, now that's what it looks like. And then you smear it out, and it becomes that color. Which I haven't really worked with liquid blushes forever, because, you know, we use liquid blushes, but they were our lipsticks, and so it's a little different story because it's more pigmented. And then this is a Bondi Boost Heat Protect Spray Vaporizer. I don't know. I don't use heat on my hair, so I will give this to my sister. I don't use heat. I wash it. I use leave-in conditioner, but I will spray it, see what it smells like. See what the spray's like. Oh, it's very fine mist. I get it on my hands so I can smell it. Doesn't have a smell. Kind of citrusy maybe. But I'll give that to, I will take that to my sister for Easter. So she can have that, because I don't need it. Okay, then we got Pacifica Future Youth 100% vegan, cruelty-free, gravity rebound serum. And it has peptides, strawberry oil, and flowers. I've never used this one. So this one's new to me too, so if you've used it, ooh, that's kind of pretty. That's what the bottle looks like. If you've used it, let us know. I'm assuming you got to shake it, because some of these you do. It doesn't seem to be separating, but who knows. So I always kind of figure when it's a serum, it's better safe than sorry. And this is what it looks like as it drops. So you can see the consistency. And it's very fast absorbing. Very fast absorbing. Let's see what it smells like. Honestly, it smells like the ocean. It smells like the ocean. I miss the ocean. I miss the ocean. And I'm sorry, but the golf is just not the same. It's just not. It's sad, but it's not. Okay, then you also got, let's see what, are these all three the same? No, but I think they're the same company. They're not the same. Okay. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet. I'm assuming it's 2 lipsticks, and this is Peachy Nude and Parchment are the colors. And this is what, that's not what the box looks like. That's what the box is. Yeah, that's what the box looks like. So, let's see if I can get it open. And that's what that color looks like. Maybe. And that's that shade. And then I'll do this shade. That's what that one looks like. And then you get this. It is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel. And we know what Brow Freeze Gel is, and it's clear. So I will take it out just to show you the bottom. That's what that looks like. As you can see, that's the spoolie. And it's clear. So I'll stick that back in there from. Okay. Then you have e.l.f. This is by e.l.f. And it is Glossy Lip Stain. That ended up being quite tiny. And that's what that looks like. I'll stick that in there. That's that color. Okay, and then lastly, we've got Divine Skies eyeshadow palette. And it's, what is it called? Oh, Clementine, that's what it's called. That's what that looks like. Side's a hinge. What the heck? There, I got it. I think I got it. Nope, didn't get it. Oh yeah, I did. I had it open, just not all the way open. And those are the colors. And it has a mirror. But those are the colors. And I will swatch those really quickly. Okay, I got two more to do. Yeah. I lost myself. And those are the colors from here to here. So as you can see, it's all cohesive. The whole box is cohesive. And they really do a good job of that. So that's the Trendmood box. What number is it? 24, I believe. So, what'd you think of that one? I thought it was interesting. Well worth the money. These are always worth the money. There's no question. And sometimes you'll get a coupon codes and things. So, just so you know, be aware of that. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the ice cream bag because I got this later than the box again. So I'm just going to add this onto this one to make it a full video. So anyway, if you're not familiar with ice cream, it is $12.50 a month, and I believe $2.99 shipping, something like that. They also have, and you get 3 to 5 items. You're guaranteed a pallet, and I can't remember what else I was going to say, but they also have a box, and with their box, it's $25 a month. Oh, and they're all full-size products. And with their box, it's $25 a month, and that includes shipping. And with that one, you get 5 to 7 items, and they are all full-size items. So, since this only has 3 items in it, I thought, well, I'm going to go ahead and put it together. So, we're going to start with, okay. Okay, we're going to start with the Marabella. It's going crazy lately. We're going to start with the Marabella. You know, that thing. Marabella Beauty, sealed with a kiss lipstick. Oh no, that's this. That's this. This is the seal with the kiss lipstick. So let's see what color it is. It's sugar and spice. Yeah, I like a little sugar and spice and everything nice. I don't even know what to do with these glasses anymore. She really needs to fix my eyes. Well, that's pretty. And that's what that looks like. Very pretty. Here's the color. There's the color on. And then if you want to swipe it down a little bit, that's what that'll look like. Pretty. Okay. And that is valued at $22. Then we have Marabella Beauty Pro Sculpt Clear Brow Gel, which that's what that looks like. And I'll take it out of this package. But I'm not going to open it because it's just clear brow gel. But I'm... Come on, can't get it open. Try the other end. You'd think, after working in a box factory for 15 years, I'd be able to open this stuff. No. And this is what that looks like. And it's just clear brow gel. And that is worth $18. And then lastly, we have Trend Beauty. Give Me More. And it looks like an old cassette. And this is valued at $12. Oh, this is pretty. Oh yeah, this is pretty. And I like how they have them, in order. You know, like, so it's kind of like you can pre-use their designs or you can make your own. Very pretty. We all know which one I'm going to gravitate to, so we're just going to do it real fast. There you go. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. See, then when you put it on top of the actual turquoise there. Let's go. We'll do the purple because I'm not going to do them all because I'm expecting someone to show up here in a minute. But yeah, this one looks really like a pretty topper too. Look at that one. Very pretty. Check out the pink. Let's check out the pink. That pink's a gorgeous pink too. Yeah, I think I'll use the crap out of this one. So anyway, that's my Eyescream Beauty box. And just come on back, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff.